Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 6 days ago when the price of this asset was at $4.45, and my main assumption was that we have to see another leg to the downside that should at least retest $4.2 mark. And here is the actual price action of this asset. We had another spike of its price that retested this previous swing high, and it hit the range of resistance. Then it had a rollover, and we are at $4.11 mark, which confirmed my forecast. And guys, it is not the first time when my forecast became a reality, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to see the charts easily, and if you want to read it without any obstacles, definitely you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or to join my Patreon account. And for the $35 a month, you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, there is not so many people inside this community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look on the major news that might be the catalyst for this asset, and on top of that I will explain you what should we expect from the fundamental standpoint from this company in order to see the major trend reversal. First of all, take a look on the EV sales for week ending April the 7th, and I have to say that we don't have the latest data for this asset, and these numbers are a little bit outdated by 1 week. But in general, I have to say that all of the EV manufacturers have a decrease in their weekly sales. Let me show you this. For NIO, it sold 40.56% fewer units last week than 3,550 it sold the week before. April 4th till April 6th was China's Kunming festival this year, which may have created a disruption in insurance registrations for cars. April 7 was a workday, albeit a Sunday. And take a look on the Tesla's sales in China. As you can see, it fell off the cliff, and it is the second worst week right after the 41st week of last year. So definitely it is not the NIO's fault. You can see that all of the EV manufacturers have the same decrease in their sales. And in general, I have to admit that for now NIO is about to launch a couple of new models, and they are renewed models. Let me show you this article that is published just a couple of hours ago, and it's titled NIO to launch 2024 ET7 sedan on April 25th, Thursday of Beijing Auto Show. And let me quote to this. NIO will launch the updated ET7, the all-electric sedan that is only one in the company's lineup that has yet to complete its annual facelift in 10 days. And definitely, as you can see on these pictures, this is a flagship sedan, and it has a very intriguing design. It has plenty of leg room on the rear seats, and yes, ET7 is the flagship, and as all of the flagships of other companies, its main goal is not to be the best-selling vehicle, but to be a flagship and to attract more attention to the brand itself. And in my opinion, NIO ET7 has all the chances to do so. On top of that, let me show you this. NIO to showcase all updated models at 2024 Beijing Auto Show. And definitely the list of their lineup is quite significant. Here is the official data from their latest report, and as you can see, they have 8 models in their lineup, and definitely all of these models should have much higher sales in order to push the stock price higher. And guys, let me show you this information. What is the main parameter that should be improved in order to see the major trend reversal? We are on the 20F statement that was published on April the 9th, and let me show you that if you compare the vehicle sales from 2021 to 2023, you can see that increase in vehicle sales is not so high, from 33 million RMB to 45.5 million RMB from 2021 to 2022, and to 49.2 million RMB in 2023. And in general, the revenue growth is slowing down from 2021 to 2023. At the same time, if you take a look right here, the cost of sales is increasing. And this is the real bad sign for the company, because if this pattern continues, if this trend continues, at some point in the future, they will file a bankruptcy, and definitely the first sign of their recovery will be the substantial reduction of their cost of sales and of their losses in general, and substantial improvements of their vehicle sales. Only in this case the price of NIO will have a trend reversal, and as long as we don't have this information, the only price movement to the upside that will happen in potentially in upcoming weeks will be a short-term trend that will not be the beginning of a major uptrend that potentially might break its all-time high. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, on my yesterday's video I showed you this breakdown from its swing high that it established on March the 12th. And my main assumption was that the bottom of the third wave is right here. But for now, with this sideways movement and with these several crucial points, my assumption is slightly different. Potentially the top of our fourth wave is right here, and the bottom of our third wave is right here. And in this case, we are in the process of forming the fifth wave. And let me show you it in details. We have from this bottom, we have ABC correction to the upside that was the top of the fourth wave, and for now we have several waves to the downside, and unfortunately this structure is not completed. And guys, let me show you some tips which you can use if you are doing a technical analysis on Chinese stocks. Every single Chinese stock on US market have the similar listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And for NIO, it is the ticker symbol 9866. If you click on it, you can see that on today's session, it is down for about 2.77%. And you know that for now, because of the Iranian and Israel conflict, we have a lot of uncertainty on the markets. And that is why, most likely, when the market opens today, we will see a red day all across the board. And I have to say that the market will be opened within the next 10 minutes. Unfortunately, I will end my recording for today's video. And that is why, guys, be cautious, but we are not done. And my main assumption is that we have to land somewhere lower. Probably in the ranges of $4 mark, or even we might have a breakout below this range. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you.